What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. We have spaghetti bolognese. Got some raw onions here. Actually I'm going to put my parmesan on first and then top it with some raw onions. So put plenty of parmesan on. Lovely jubbly. Now we'll put what onions on. Nice finely chopped onions. Oof. I actually made this bolognese yesterday, but I didn't have my tea yesterday because I had not long had something before Kenny come in. So I thought I'd save mine for today. I just made some fresh spaghetti, put the bolognese sauce in the fridge. So here we are, got some lovely crispy garlic bread to go with it. And my drink, I've just got one of these isotonic drinks from Aldi. And let we dig in, guys. Get this all mixed in. Oof. Loads of garlic, and it's probably even tastier the next day. All that lovely garlic and seasoning I've put in. Would have been marinating in the fridge. Right. Still looks piping hot. I'll be stinking. It's very garlicky. I always put loads of garlic in mine. Very nice it is. Delicious. Bella's come to see if I've dropped anything. Oh! This is what I like doing. Loading it all onto me garlic bread. As well, if you have spaghetti bolognese left over, it's lush and it's toasty. Really nice. Doesn't want to go off. There you go. Ooh. Someone asked us to do a spaghetti bolognese mukbang, and it was when I had just been shopping and I had literally, this was one of the meals I had bought anyway to make. I think this is the subscriber was called Bray, followed by numbers, so here's your spaghetti bolognese mukbang. It was totally fluky how I had already bought it to do it this week. You have to have your garlic bread lovely and crisp, like. I like it when it just starts turning like slightly burnt on the edges. Lush. Put some more of this on. Going to his auntie's tomorrow because she's just not long bought her son. Her son's like a year below Spencer. But they just bought him a huge, absolutely huge, I think they said it was 14 foot. Can you remember? I'm sure it was 14-foot swimming pool, and it's like quite high one. So we're going to go there for a barbecue tomorrow. Wow. It's been dead humid still. Tomorrow's going to be like clouded over, but still going to be about 18 degrees, so it'll be warm enough. Just not blazing sun. This is delicious. A few more onions on. I'm really loving spaghetti bolognese. I used to have to really be in the mood for it, but I've been loving it lately. I'm sure I made one last week as well. Absolutely wolfed it down. I was starving as well, like, but really enjoyed it. Those onions, I keep mine raw for drizzling on the top because I don't put them actually in because the kids just wouldn't eat it. But it's nice to have that crunch on the top. Oh, just been along to my mum's today, and then I had to just nip to Aldi to get a couple of odds and ends. I got these for the boys going back to school, like packed lunch boxes. So it's like a good size. Open it up, and you've got this little one which will be ideal for a sandwich. Save wrapping the sandwiches up every day, plus storage underneath. That's another little small one with storage underneath. And then you get a little pot, maybe put a bit of fruit in. £5, $4.99. So that whole thing will just go in the packed lunch bag. Keep everything organised, nice for them. Because some mornings when you make the sandwiches and then you go for the foil to wrap the sandwiches up in, and there's none, so you're like running around saying what can you wrap the sandwiches in. I bought some little Ziploc bags. I thought that would save all that. Some more garlic bread. Was ready for this. Don't think I've had anything. I had a bag of crisps at my mum's earlier on, that's it. Because I literally got ready as soon as I got out. And went there. And then obviously straight to Aldi and then home, and I made this straight away. I've been watching videos. I think she's called Foodie Sushi Queen on TikTok. She always has lush food. That's who inspired us to do the crab nachos, the sushi nachos. But she had like a poke bowl, are they called poke? Poke bowl. Looks so nice. And I know it's traditionally, well, poke means like raw, probably like tuna or raw whatever fish. But when you search online, different poke bowls, there's vegan ones, you can get chicken ones, you can basically put what you want in, the ingredients you want to eat. So I've got some lovely marinated salmon in my freezer, so I might defrost that and like shred some nice crab sticks and like of whatever, like veggies and all that I want in with rice. I think I might make one of them soon. She made it look gorgeous. The only thing is, I wish I could use what they're called, chopsticks, because I love it watching people eat with chopsticks, but I'm useless. I don't know how to use them. But yeah, it just looks so delicious. So I thought, I'll have to give that a try and just put stuff that I want in. Obviously, it's not the traditional poke bowl, but like I say, there's that many different recipes online. And that's a good thing with food, isn't it? You use ingredients you like. You can stray from the traditional recipes. It's not meant to offend anyone, you're just meant to enjoy your food, aren't you? I'll stored that up there. I don't know when I'll do it, but I do want to do one soon. Like I said, I'm still going to do my chicken dinner on Sunday. Probably got red all around me gob, but tough. I'm really enjoying this. Oh, them onions are lovely. So yeah, hopefully have a nice day tomorrow, have a few drinks. I've just bought some belly pork in Aldi as well. I'm going to make me little me little belly pork bites I've made when I put them in the bao buns and that. I'm just going to make a tray of it and take it along. Because they're lovely just to pick up. That was absolutely delicious. I didn't video how I made it because I don't do it like from scratch everything. I literally just get the onion and garlic bolognese jars in Aldi, 2 of them, and then I add like onion powder, loads of garlic, what else, salt, pepper and stuff like that, just to flavour it up a bit more. So it's just super easy, and then obviously you know how to cook spaghetti, just boil it. So there's no cooking portion on this one. And I also grated loads of parmesan in the bolognese mix. Just lush. Oh, I'll show you this picture. I've just got the stuff to do it as well. It was on like a, what they call a council cuisine page on Facebook, where there's some right like disgusting looking food, but there's also some lovely, cheap but lovely looking food. And I thought this was a lush idea, like them lovely little part baked bread rolls, what you cook in the oven, and they're like a proper fresh bread roll. with fish fingers, lettuce and tartar sauce. I thought, oh, them look like posh fish finger sandwiches because Kenny loves fish finger sandwiches. I thought, oh, them look a bit posher, so I'm going to make them. I just got the cheap fish fingers in Aldi, and then bread rolls are from Aldi as well. So I'll do that video soon as well. Oh, I'm stuffed, guys, and I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll see you on Sunday with a nice Sunday roast. See you later. Bye.